Good afternoon, students. Have a lovely noon. Our today's teaching topic is relating to supplementary vistas. Chapter 4. The enemy. Pulse Buck is the writer of this chapter. At first, we will discuss main characters of this chapter as a part 1. There are 4 main characters. The first main character is Dr. Sadao, and the second is Hana. Third main character, American prisoners of war. American prisoners, Tom. And the last 4th character, the general. And dear students, you know that these main characters, but the first and foremost main character is Dr. Sadeo. The whole story is running surroundings of the Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao, the protagonist of the story. He is the protagonist of the story. A surgeon by profession saves the life of even enemy soldiers. In this story, you came to know about the real duty of doctor. You know that doctor is God, like a God, and what's the real duty? Being a doctor, the real duty is to save a person who came before him as a patient. Never given a death, that person, whatever he friend or enemies, there is no differences, and this quality has occurred in the mind and heart of Dr. Sadao. Dr. Sadao, you know that Tom, American prisoner is the enemy. Japan and America engaged to fight with each other at a war, Second World War, and when American prisoner Tom came before Dr. Sadao at that time, without giving any intention of his reputation, he started to treat that person. This is the best quality, being a doctor. In this chapter, you came to know about the real quality of a doctor. A doctor gives all his own, whatever he have for his patient. Whatever that patient, enemy or friend, it doesn't matter. And the second character, Hana, his wife, Dr. Sadao's wife, loves her husband very much and supports him in every situation. This story told detail in part 2nd, but as a main character wise, here describing before you, the described manner is that Hana, his wife, and she always stand in favor of Dr. Sadeo, being a wife. She is a lovable wife, she is a believable life, and always available for Dr. Sadeo. Ready to listen instruction of Dr. Sadeo. Always go on that path where Dr. Sadeo go that path. It means to say that Dr. Sadeo, as well as you can say that Hana, both of them very good. The situation and crucial situation has occurred before them when all servants who have worked in his house refused and to forbid to give their own service. At that time, Hana stand in favor of Dr. Sadeo to give all her services, that is relating to treat curement of that persons, that enemy persons who is wounded, lower back struck a bullet. And the third character is American prisoner of war, Second World War. In Second World War, an American prisoner came and stuck in the waves of the ocean due to struck a bullet lower back, and when both of them saw that person figured, and that person bent before him as a layaway. At that situation, both of them presents themselves as a curement, as a God, in the regard of protector, in the regard of protect that person. An American soldier got wounded in the war. Dr. Sadeo saves his life even at the cost of his reputation. If his country's person, soldiers and general came to know about this reality, at that time given come to that person, given great punishment as a prisoner to that person. That person, Dr. Sadeo, after doing this type of activity, what's the activities? The activities is to give curement, to give a treatment, being a enemy person, and without giving any information to the government how he did so. So after doing this type of activities, this activities is relating to as a traitor. This is why his servant leave that place at last of the story. But he know Dr. Sadeo and his wife know the reality and their own duty, whatever they've done, whatever they've done to that is relating to curement of the American prisoner. And the last character is the general, old and selfish general of Germany. During the World War II, the old general is wounded badly, and due to this wound, he unable to go to in the field of the war. His treatment is very important, and you know that, dear student, Dr. Sadao is a great surgeon. After doing a lot of practice, he is a good doctor. He is focused on the real wounded instead of cleanliness. The general is stayed at home, his home, for curement and treatment, but he is a selfish and cruel person, because he is a general. He never forgive to any person, and he never forgive to a enemy person also. He is very cruel, but he cares only about himself. He injured, he wounded, and he lapses his health due to this war. He only cares about himself instead of other person. He never care other person's opinion, other person's health, other person's everything that is relating to his curement. He needs service of Dr. Sadao. Therefore, knowingly ignores the issues of the American soldiers. He has a keen interest by himself. He has a great curement himself. This is the main reason he ignores the American soldiers' activities when Dr. Sadeo told about everything to the general. This one, four main characters: Dr. Sadao, Hana, American prisoner, the general. On the basis of these four characters, you have to know about the story of this chapter in part 2. Thank you so much.